Now, for something on the more serious side, tornado season will very soon be upon us once again. Every year in the United States, there are about 1,200 tornadoes. 2024 was a particularly severe year with over 1,400 tornadoes and several multi-day, particularly dangerous outbreaks. The tornadoes that are currently happening as I make this video in March 2025 have already taken the lives of over 20 people. Unfortunately, our ability to detect and react and save lives during these events is about to change. The current administration, through DOGE and Project 2025, is leading an effort to cut jobs as well as programs from NOAA, the agency that oversees much of the weather data we need to keep us safe. They aim to privatize weather data and research and restrict the access of the general public. Project 2025 states that NOAA should be broken up and downsized. Limiting public access to weather data via NOAA and the National Weather Service would impact the ability of media, local governments, first responders, and other critical outlets in their ability to warn and assist those areas where large tornadoes occur. This will lead to catastrophic outcomes. This is unacceptable. This impacts all people in tornado-prone areas, regardless of political beliefs. Please help save NOAA and save lives. Find your representatives and senators and contact them. Let them know they should not support these cuts and should keep NOAA and NWS funded and open to the public. Links to locate U.S. Representative and U.S. Senator contacts are in the description.